Alright, this is my Get to Know Me presentation by Lavisa Vergara. A little about me. I was a high school choir nerd. This is me and my friends at the Candlelight Processional 2017. And I am a food and culture enthusiast. That is me eating Brazilian carrot cake yesterday, bolo de cenoura. Some of my accomplishments and awards. I woke up twice today, and I earned a superior rating at Solo and Ensemble 2021, meaning some adjudicators heard me sing and I did good enough. My goals for SLS include, planning out my college career, getting a better idea of the job I want for myself because I am lost, but I'm thinking social science of some sort, so that explains the images. And finally, online learning for me personally is not the most effective because not being able to be in a classroom and get to know my peers or instructor is hard for me, and I'd rather feel like I'm not in my bedroom. Thank you so much.